How do you grow your WeChat account? This is one of the most common questions asked, and it's one that we're asking every day. How can we grow the accounts of our clients and even our own accounts as well? Tip number 1, post your articles outside of WeChat. There are lots of other Chinese social media platforms or forums such as Zhihu, Douban, Bilibili, Weibo. You can share tips across other Chinese social media platforms, which are more open platforms and easier to expose your content to a wider audience. Tip number 2, collaborations. Collaborations, that means working with other communities that have a following that's maybe different or parallel to yours, or of course KOLs or key influencers are working with other communities or accounts. They're able to forward your posts very easily through WeChat, and it's a great way to grow your following. And the third tip is, of course, giveaways. People love free things. We've seen a lot of growth through our clients' accounts who make the effort to give some freebies out in exchange for the post to be shared. And the results, it pays to give. What can we say? There are many ways to grow your WeChat account. Contact us for more tips specific to your business.